This was requested by our patron Colleen. Thank you so much for the request, and we totally hope this helped.
Thank you so much for watching our tutorial. If you find our tutorials to be helpful, please support us by leaving a like, comment, subscribe, as well as share the videos with your friends. Thank you.